Hi, Paul here with Vijilent. In this video, we're going to learn how to use the Excel import function of the Vijilent Reveal Webapp. So let's start by adding a new case. Give it a name. Then if you haven't done this before, you'll want to come to Upload Subjects file and download the template. This is what the template looks like. You can add subjects one by one here. Give it a reference number if you want, a juror number, or any kind of designator. The only things you really need are first name, last name, city, county, or state. So then, when you've got that filled out, you can import the file. I've got one already made up here. And what it'll do is put it all down in this list here. And you want to make sure that it imported correctly with all the right fields in the right places. And then simply, if there's one you don't want, you can uncheck that. But right now they're all selected to be submitted. And then click the Submit button. Then go to the results. And there's the new case. And all of the subjects are queued. And one of them is already in progress. That's it. See you in the next video.